Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial. Today we're going to continue talking about infinitives and gerunds. We already learned what is an infinitive, where is our gerund, and what is the formula. We need to use a verb, clause, and any of these too. We already know how to identify an infinitive or a gerund. But today, we're going to continue talking about those important verbs that we have to pay attention to. Forget, stop, remember, and try. Remember that with these verbs, we use the verb and then the infinitive or the gerund, but we use them in different occasions. Let's see how it is. With the verb stop, for example, it says, I stopped to buy coffee. This is the verb stopped and it's in past. Next to it, I have infinitive or gerund. Good. Infinitive. I stopped to buy coffee. That means that I was walking and then I stopped and I bought the coffee. Right? The action was interrupted and then I did it. But what happens if I say, I stopped buying frappuccinos because I usually felt sick? That means that I don't do it anymore. I don't do that because I usually felt sick of my stomach. Frappuccinos are delicious and they are coffee, but I don't do it. It's not a habit anymore. Okay, this is the difference between infinitive and gerund. Now let's see with remember. My mom remembered to call my grandmother. It's her birthday. She remembered. I remember traveling to Paris 5 years ago. So what happens here? When I use remember, and look, remember can be past, can be present. When I use remember and I use the infinitive, for example, to call, means that I remember something now, that I remember something I have to do. She remembered to call her and we did it because it's her birthday and it's my grandma. But if I say I remember traveling, if I use a gerund, means that I am remembering an old story, right? I remember doing that a long time ago. It's like a memory, okay? When we're talking about a memory, I remember traveling. It was a beautiful trip. Let's see with forget. I forgot to clean my cat's bed. Sorry, cat. We forgot leaving the cat outside the house. Okay, if I forgot to clean, if I use the infinitive, that means that I really forgot to do an action, to perform an action, to clean it. But if I say we forgot leaving, that means that it's something that I don't remember doing. I don't remember when I did it. I forgot leaving the cat. I don't remember when. I mean, was it in the morning? Was it in the afternoon? Because I was outside the house all day. We forgot leaving the cat outside, and the cat doesn't like to be inside, for example. Now let's see, try. I tried deleting that old Facebook photo. My mom tried to help. Oops. My mom tried to help me out with my homework. I tried deleting means that I really, I spent some time trying to do that. Okay, we could say it's a longer action. But if I say, Mom, please try to help me, I'm telling her to do an action. Try to do it, to help me with my homework. Okay, now it's your turn. Take out your notebook and write down worksheet number 21. Important verbs that are these ones plus infinitive or gerund. And you're going to write the word answers and please write number 1 to 6. Okay, ready? Now it's your turn. Let's practice. I'm going to display an exercise and we're going to do it together. Okay, write your answers, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. When you finish, send a photo in the classroom assignment, as always. Okay, you take your picture in your phone and you put it on the classroom assignment that says worksheet number 21. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. What is the correct answer? Remember, to brush your teeth after breakfast, or remember brushing your teeth after breakfast. You have 3 seconds. Write down your answer. Write it down. Okay, let's see the answer. To brush your teeth. Number 2, don't forget locking the door. Don't forget to lock the door. Write your answer, come on. What do you think? Good job. To lock the door, infinitive. Number 3. On the way to Edinburgh, we stopped looking at an old castle, or to look at an old castle. Edinburgh is a town in England. So what do you think? Looking or to look? Good job. Infinitive, to look. Mark remembers locking the car, or Mark remembers to lock the car. Good job. He remembers locking it. He remembers when he did that. Gerund. Number 5. I will never forget to meet my boss for the first time, or I will never forget meeting my boss for the first time. Write down your answer. Okay, good job, Gerund. And the last one. Can you please stop making that noise? I'm trying to sleep. Or, can you please stop to make that noise? I'm trying to sleep. Or, can you stop making or make that noise? I'm trying to sleep. What do you think? I'll give you 3 seconds. Write down your answer. Okay, let's see the correct answer. Gerund. Okay, good job guys. That is all for today. Remember to upload on Classroom the photo. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.